Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, have. I have a red pen. I have a red pen. Second, watch. Was Ria laughing? Was Ria laughing? 3. Soon. This movie is coming soon. This movie is coming soon. Fourth, where? You were eating. You were eating. Fifth, are. They are playing. They are playing. Sixth, what? What is your name? What is your name? Seventh, did you eat your lunch? Did you eat your lunch? Eighth, when? When will she go? When will she go? Ninth, who? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Prime Minister of India? 10th, story. She told a wonderful story. She told a wonderful story. 11th, children. The children are playing outside. The children playing outside. 12. Sad. She was sad yesterday. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.